the Sirat Expressway, which was working as an alternative to the Deen Dayal Expressway. Now we are going to the Deen Dayal Expressway, which is to understand if it's working or not, because the latest information that we got that it was not working and it was acting more of like a alternate route. Also the road which is working normally. Bangkok has and is being working in normal capacity. The traffic congestion is also normal. You can see the roads also. We are taking the very famous tuk-tuk rides and you can see the roads also. This looks smoother. The train services, metro services are also working normally. The air rail services are also going on. You can see many such stores also that is open. The 7-Eleven, the malls, everything is happening. This working normally. You can see these malls also that is working. The bus stands. You can see all kinds of passengers and all the normal happening. You can see this is the country theatre where these movies are also being played. There are many such movies that is going on. This is also working normally. You can see some officials also sitting, and then the normalcy has come back. The incident that happened in 28th March, that happened in Myanmar, and even saw jolters at the very building. It was at the very general audit building, state audit building. It was difficult, but now the situation has come back to normalcy. You can also see, we are also showing you the King Power. This is that one mall that we were talking about. King Power Mall is working smoothly, working normally. This is one such mall which is also called the King of Duty Free. This is a very luxurious mall and this is also working normally. This is one such mall also that is working normally, apart from your Siam Paragon and other malls as well. See, these are such visuals that we are giving a perspective about the happenings. And now we are currently going to Deen Dayal Expressway, where from the Sirat Expressway is working as an alternative, and now we are going towards Deen Dayal Expressway. You can see the eateries, restaurants, street side foods, everything working normally. Operational restaurants, the high-rise buildings above also, these are all working properly. This is the Rangnam high-rise building that also felt tremors, but yes, it was safe. It was there was no cracks as such. Apart from the state audit building, a high-level prop has also been made, but apart from that, the things have become normal. The things is functioning properly. Bangkok is functioning properly. We're also taking you through some small lanes that connects the road of the expressway, that connects the Sirat Expressway to the Deen Dayal Expressway. These are these exclusive visuals from the tuk-tuk ride, because tuk-tuk ride is one of the most iconic rides that is in Bangkok, and this is most of the tourists, most of the locals, they prefer to use tuk-tuk rides. I'll also try to show you the inside of the tuk-tuk ride. You can see this is the interior of how the tuk-tuk ride looks, and we are going towards the Deen Dayal Expressway and giving you a perspective also about the normalcy in Bangkok. Yes, the airports, the railway stations, the metro stations, the stores, the high-rise buildings, the offices, they have all resumed back to normal. They've all come back to normal. There were few till yesterday. The JTC building was on works because they sealed the building, but apart from that, it has now from today it has resumed as well. This is the room also. We are at Fag High also. This is again the very famous Macro Lotus Mall, and these all kind of stores, the Mitsubishi Motor offices, the traffics are all working smoothly. You can see these traffic conditions. Bangkok is said to be a very busy area, busy place where the traffic congestion is all-time high, but you get an understanding. And this is the PI Pool International Limited Center, and we are trying to show you the normalcy also that Bangkok has returned.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.